What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be doing a downpipe install. What's new on a M2. M2 happens to be Colby's car. So we're putting the downpipe on today. It's CATLESS. So I'm gonna show you guys, how it works, how it goes down. It's relatively similar to how the M235 is. How it gets taken out and installed and stuff like that. So yeah, I kind of have quite a bit of a drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I can't even get my damn sunglasses on. So I completely forgot to mention, video quality probably looks so much different. That's because I upgraded my camera. So I went to a Sony a6100 over the Canon T6 because Canon T6 had no mic jack. So it's like, how am I supposed to continue making content for you guys without a mic? Like, I can't do that. So I actually have a mic coming for this camera. It should be here in probably like 3 or 4 days. So, I mean, the quality on this in terms of audio isn't too bad, just coming out of the internal microphone, but I'm gonna upgrade it anyways, just because it's gonna be better. I can bump it to 4K, but I don't know if it's necessary yet. But I do have an SD card if I ever want to do it, so that's that. Ooh, GTO. So you want to race? I think he wants to race. Got freaking Colby's car right here. Stick the CATLESS downpipe on it. It's gonna be sounding mean. So we're gonna do some stock exhaust clips real quick. Well, not stock. This has the M Performance exhaust. All right, so this is valved open. Valve closed. She's about to be even louder though.
Yes.
Yeah. So step number one, gonna unplug the O2s, then start wrenching out the stock downpipe. This time, we're gonna tell you what tools to use, because in my past videos I haven't really said anything. But yeah, we're gonna tell you what tools to use, because last time I didn't. So I wanna make it as easy as possible if you're gonna do it. So we got the O2 clips back here, and you're simply just gonna unclip them. There's really no better explanation for it.
I always, for some reason, I'm so picky about this.
Yo, yeah, no, I know what you're gonna say, yeah.
And I clean the whole underside of it, even though literally when I drive off, it's gonna be
still, it's like.
But.
Oh God. So this has no resonator on it, huh?
No, the MPE gets rid of it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Bolt right here.
It's a 16.
16 millimeter right here. We're gonna take this under tray off right here, the whole metal under tray. I hope you guys are liking the new quality on the camera. Probably one of the best investments I've made for the channel. Dude, I swear, I thought when I started this channel, I wasn't gonna go very far in terms of video wise, making video,
Yeah.
Cause I lose I'm never motivated, but this is the most I've been motivated to make videos. It's so sick. You got Weston out here. Yeah. Yeah. So what size was that, 16?
That's 16.
16 mil on the first V-band clamp right here. Yeah, the lower V-band clamp.
And yeah, it's too hot to touch right now, but you want to get pliers or something and try and spread it out and get it off of there. And this is a flex pipe, so it's super easy. You can put it where you want it. Okay, so you want to put the nut back on just that way you don't screw up the threads. You're gonna have to hammer this out. So. Give her 2 good taps. And comes right out.
All right, so that top bolt right where my tip of my finger is, that's gonna be a 13 millimeter.
And so this one, you want to make sure that it's seated on there good, or else you will strip off that bolt right there.
This V-band clamp's gonna be a little fucking tight, so you wanna get a pry bar and put it in the middle and smack it where it disengages from the turbo. The middle. Fucking aluminum bullshit. Smack it. Oh shit, sorry Matt.
She out?
Yeah, she's out. There's 3 bolts right here that you usually take off.
Yeah.
That connects the stock downpipe.
Yeah.
Alright. You want to make sure you don't fuck up the O2s or get the wires caught.
There's a stock right there. So you're just gonna simply wrench these 2 off and then transfer them over to the new downpipe. Those action shots. So we're gonna do some like exhaust clips after this, just so you guys can get kind of like an idea of like what it will sound like paired with the MPE catback. Actually, technically not a catback, catless back.
Yeah.
Put the O2s back in. All right, so clarify. So which ones go with which? Like gray goes to what part?
Gray.
So is this the back port or is this the front port? Like,
Blue is
well,
the front.
the blue's the front port.
Okay.
They're color coded, so blue's the front port.
Yeah.
Then black is the back port.
Yeah.
And
But when it's up there and you connect it, like they're color coded, so
Yeah.
it really don't
it's
matter.
kind of hard to screw it up.
What size was the wrench, by the way?
7/8.
7/8 to get those Johnnies on.
It's on there.
We're gonna put the under trays back on, plug the O2s in, and then we're not gonna film this part again because it's the same.
But you're gonna need a 16, an 8 mil, and a 13. And that's pretty much the only 3 you really need. This is just for prying off the V-bands. You might need pliers, also pry the V-bands, and then this to get out the stud on the bottom V-band.
And that's it.
That's
Surprisingly, that's it.
Super easy.
Make sure you plug in the O2s.
Make sure you don't leave them dangling down there. Ready?
Sounds so good. M2's looking clean right now. Look at that. Are you excited to be loud again? Dude. Alright, so we're in the M2. It's got the CATLESS downpipe in now. I'm gonna take her out for a little drive real quick. Like the turbo spool is so much louder with this.
Really?
I think the lengths of the 4 compared to the 2 is a lot different.
Yeah.
Like, cause this is shorter, so I think it's got more like of a frequency, like a louder frequency to it.
Yeah, feel free to give her hell.
I'm so mad. God damn it. Sounds so much better than before. Oh, dude, the pops in his chest. Yeah, dude, it sounds so much more open.
I haven't been passenger in this thing in a minute.
So we're gonna do some rev clips real quick, show you guys. Dude. Oh my god. I don't know what it is, but like the way the M2 sounds, like in terms of N55, is just crazy. He's hauling ass. Dude. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope each and every one of you guys enjoyed, as always. But I do have a lot of content planned for the channel coming soon, so that's all I'm gonna say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.